Good morning, guys. Welcome to My Future Success. We are currently live here looking at about 8:38 here in the morning, potentially looking for a great buy signal into the market. All of our metrics right now are lined up on our dashboard. Buy signal currently being illuminated on here. This will actually stay on here at candle close. Waiting about 7 seconds to see if we'll get confirmation for a potential entry. You guys can tell overall background, this linear regression is trading bullish, which is a great sign we want to be going in. All right, guys, there we go. Candle has closed. That has showed a buy signal. Going over to our DOM here, go ahead and entering into the market. As long as we stay green in the background here, this is where we can see potential upticks. This is moving, you guys, on 8 contracts here. This is either if you guys are trading your prop firm accounts or individual accounts, please keep an eye out for the profit and loss over here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this top metric here on the plot line, so this cleans up the chart a little bit. If you guys are using this addition with the metrics that I just did yesterday with this background here, as long as it stays green, we can technically stay within the trade here, and as long as our metrics are all in line on the bottom. You guys can see a couple previous entries into the market this morning that end up running for about 9 points and then also another 6 points here just using these metrics. You guys see how we're trading above this 50 here. We end up getting strong bullish candles on these buy signals, and literally this background is telling us either to stay within the trade or get out of that trade. So this was actually a really nice exit here to then play a reversal if you guys end up getting into that. But to focus on this trade that we're currently in right now, sitting up around $500 to $600 on this trade specifically, trading over here with these 8 lots. If it gets end up anywhere close to this $1,000 range, I just want to look at be closing out of this trade to show you guys transparency here. But let's go ahead and keep this live here. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to give a shout out to everyone who literally just joined us in the past 24 hours here with Simple Market Metrics. And in a moment, I'll show you guys, anyone who's new to this channel, exactly where to grab these metrics so you can see the success that so many people are having. So I want to give a shout out here. Actually, no, before I do the shout out, looks like we're going to have a great spot to be exiting out. Currently up 1,000 to 800. This is going to close out at about $1,400 here at the top. You guys can tell 1,408 contracts. Let's see if we can close that out of the market, which will be a nice level of resistance over here to the left-hand side. Everything's still shown very bullish. I like how this background's still solid green. This is literally giving us confirmation in the market where it's like when we enter in on trades, this is where you don't have to guess where the market is going. If it switches on you, there you go. Another candle closed, another bullish candle. Let's just stay within this. I'm going to go back to giving a shout out here. And if this ends up going over and closing here with you guys live here on Tradovate and Tradingview, that's going to be awesome. So Theotis, thank you so much for joining. Pedro, Brian, Zachary, Mark, Steven, Demetrio, Nicolay, Brede, and also Sean. Thank you guys so much just for joining this morning. Having a lot of success with you guys and having so much fun doing educational videos here on YouTube and also one-on-one trainings. I had a one-on-one training with Hugo yesterday. It was so nice meeting you, buddy. I think you're going to do a really amazing in the markets. Just following metrics like this and just being consistent with the trading style that I'm trying to show here. Everyone that has these metrics are able to see these entries. I want you guys to go back this morning just so there's transparency here. This is going to be at 8:38. This is exactly how your charts will show up here on Tradovate and also on TradingView. And then this is exactly how we're looking to play in the market. A little bit of indecision here, totally fine. This is actually a really good trade for you guys to see that as long as this this background is green, and even if we have a little bit of a sell-off here and metrics are still heading where money's still flowing into the market, it's completely okay to stay within these trades and to stay within it until we get a reversal on the account. So let's just stay here with you guys and see how this ends up panning out. I like doing these videos. Some of the last couple of videos I've been doing, it's been taking trades and actually showing P&L in the accounts, and it isn't actually live like this, showing exactly the analysis and the narrative behind it of why entering in certain trades, why staying in a bit longer. And I think I'm going to switch over to some of my YouTube videos doing it this way for a lot of people that are new to these metrics on trying to learn how to actually implement this in a live scenario. Market data, of course, both here on Tradovate and NinjaTrader, showing exactly what's happening in the market. Get a nice little pushback up here, guys. I'm not going to get greedy on this. If this ends up closing out here at 1,400, that is totally fine. And I'm going to call that a day. Actually, really nice bullish candle here. Awesome. This is just playing out really well. You guys see how we end up getting a little bit of indecision here, but our middle background here ended up staying the same, solid green. It's just saying that overall, the momentum is still going. And if it's still going in that direction, just keep it in. And so this is where on some traders what they'll do is actually add 2 positions to either double down on your lots. In this case with this over here, I don't want to be adding any more. There is a level of resistance here that I'm just taking a look out for, which we could see a dip down further. So what I'm actually going to do is let's go ahead and actually draw this down potentially a little bit to see if we can just get out. I really wouldn't be sad at all if this ends up closing around this 1200 or so. Let's go and actually close this out and see if we can get this for $1,200 here, trading with 8 lots. Perfect. There you go, guys. That is exactly how to look at trades in the market. That is currently trading over here with the lots. That was showing exactly a $1,200 profit, taking a buy signal off of this entry. All of our metrics in line on the bottom here. Money staying above this 50 band, which is a really good sign that money can still flow in. Middle background giving us confirmation the entire time that we were still bullish. Capitalize on the trade. If you guys haven't done so already, I want you guys to head over to My Future Success. So I'm going to go and bring this up for you guys here and show you guys exactly where to grab all of these metrics that you guys can have access to right away. So let me go over here real quick. I'm actually going to type it into the top here to My Future Success and bring this up here so you guys can see. You guys also have access to all of this in the description below that you guys can get into right away. Literally takes just a couple minutes and you guys can have access to these just in a second. So sorry about this, guys. Let me see if I can pull this up a different way over here. Let's actually just go, let's do this. Let's actually just go to YouTube and literally go over here and go to site. So in the description, you guys can go over to My Future Success and you guys can take a look at a lot of the customer testimonials that we've had just in the last couple days, in the last couple weeks of these 5-star reviews on people that are using these themselves and seeing a lot of success into the market. All you have to do is go over here and click I want this. I'll go and do a refresh on this. The last amount we had was about 640 people joining us with this. Let's go ahead and do another refresh. It probably is going to stay the same because I just loaded it. 640. So yeah, this was about 630 just a couple days ago. So congratulations on everyone who is joining this. Do remember you do get 50% off of everyone who joins on one-on-one trainings. I have a training actually set for tomorrow. My schedule next week is actually opened up a bit more. Typically Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday are the best times for me to do trainings. But I do all that through email. So you guys, if just send me an email at simplemarketmetrics@gmail.com, and we'll literally go over live price action together, showing you entries like this in the market. Man, this ended up ripping even further. So if you guys had runners that stayed a little bit further and you're trading with these lots, you probably could have been close to about $2,000, about $2,500 so far. But don't get greedy. Go ahead and go for the set amount that you want or play to levels of resistance in the market. And this is where you can see some really good gains. Thank you guys so much for following me here on YouTube. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will get to them right away. But I really do like this style of format on videos to show you guys exactly before entries, exiting entries, so you can mimic these videos exactly and know what I'm looking for to have the best success in the market. Have a great rest of your day. Take care. God bless.